Have you ever worried that your parents might forget to take their medicines on time? What if a simple automation could remind them automatically to take the medicines on time every day, and that is completely free? Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and I wish everyone a very happy new year. So today I'll show you how you can create a zero cost Telegram automation to remind anything you want as per your wish. So I've used Google Sheets, AppScript and Telegram bots for this automation. No servers, no paid tools, just smart automation. Now the first question you may think like is, why Telegram and not WhatsApp? So I'll explain that as well. WhatsApp actively blocks free automation. So unofficial tools like CallMeBot rely on hacky workarounds that often get detected and blocked. As a result, such setups are unstable and risky for critical use cases like medicine reminders. And for critical reminders like medicine, we need 100% reliability. So that's why Telegram. So now next, let me quickly give you an overview of the steps that I've taken to create this automation. Then I'll take you through the steps in details one by one. So the steps are, you define schedules in Google Sheets, and not just medicine, you can configure anything. A Telegram bot sends reminder automatically. I'll show you how to create the bot as well. Run the code using Google Apps Script and obviously create triggers so the script runs automatically. So please watch this video till the end. It's going to be very interesting. So let's start now. So first thing, we'll create a Google Sheet. You can name it anything as per your wish. So in the first cell, we'll give the medicine name. In the next cell, we'll give the time, at what time you want the notification to trigger. And the last one, dosage. You can mention anything what you want to send with the alert. So as of now for testing, I have just filled 2 rows. Next, we need to add script, but we'll not do it right now. At first, we'll configure the bots on Telegram app, then we'll come here later. So I opened the Telegram app. Now let's configure the bot. So first step, need to search for bot father. There can be many, but make sure you are selecting the one with blue check mark. So you can see there are multiple records showing. So I'll open the first one with the blue check mark. Now click on start or restart. So I've done it previously. So for me it's showing restart. I'll click on that next. Now type /new bot, or you can select if it's showing for you. Next we'll give a friendly name for the bot. So it's asking for the same. We'll type it now. So I'll give for example medicine reminder. So let's type it. We'll increase the speed of the video a little bit and it's done. Next we have to give the username that ends with bot, and then bot father will generate a token. So let's do it with the most simplest one, made_bot, and let's see. So let's enter it and see it's giving it's already taken. So you have to choose another one. We cannot use this one. Next let's give made123_bot and let's see. So this is also taken. So we have to give something different this time. Next let's try made11_bot. I hope this one will be not taken and we'll get this ID. So it's done and let's try now. Yes, this ID worked and we got the token. So just copy the token and keep it somewhere. We need to use this token on the script. Next just search with the bot ID, the one which ends with _bot. Just open the bot and you have to just click on start. Let me quickly do it and yeah, it's done. Next just go back and search for another bot called user_info_bot. Let me quickly search and open it. Yeah, it's done. We need to open the first one. We'll quickly open it here. Just click on start and it will reply with the ID. This chat ID also we need to update on the script. So this is the chat ID and the token that we need to update on the script. I just copied it here. Next we'll just copy the script from Gemini and we'll edit the script in the notepad. Please let me know in the comment section if you need any help on the code or the prompt as well. I hope you can see the variables defined for the token as well as the chat ID. So we just need to copy the chat ID and the token and we need to place it under the quotes where the variables are defined. So I'll just quickly copy and paste both and it's done. Now we need to execute the script. So now to execute the script, we need to open Google Sheets and then AppScript. So we'll copy the script that we updated just now with the token and the chat ID and then we'll paste in the AppScript. For you, it may show as blank when you open it for the first time. So yeah, it's done. I have pasted it and now we'll try to execute. So when you execute it for the first time, it may ask for certain permissions. So you have to allow all to execute it. Since I have done it previously, it didn't ask me again. So execution completed, but no alerts are triggered because none of the medicine timings as mentioned on the sheet are close to the current time. Next, I'll modify the medicine time to the current time or a couple of minutes ahead and test it. By the way, in the code, you can also define how far ahead the script should look for sending alerts. For example, 5 minutes or 10 minutes from now. So for the last one, let's modify the time and see. We have to give the time in 24 hours format. So I've updated it. Now let's execute the script once again. So I've ran it and it may take some time. So I have to wait. Yeah, we got the message that alert has been sent. Now next let's validate on the Telegram app as well. I hope you can see the laptop screen as well. It may be a little blurred. So I just now clicked on run and let's see what happens. Yeah, we received the alert and let's open it. and see, it worked. Let's run it one more time and see. Yeah, just give me few seconds. I'll click on the run one more time, and yeah, it's done. And see, we received one more alert. So this much is done and it's working perfectly. So one remaining task is we need to schedule the code as well. You should not go ahead and run the code every time manually, right? So for that we need to create triggers. In my last automation video, I've already shown how to create triggers, but in this video as well, I'll quickly cover it. But before that, if you have been watching the video so far, I hope you are enjoying it. Then please do like the video and subscribe the channel. I keep bringing this kind of helpful and interesting contents for you all. So to schedule it, on the left side of the screen, click on triggers. Then you need to create or add a trigger. Okay, so you'll get option add trigger. You need to click on that. Next you need to click on select event source. Okay, there you'll get many options. So you have to select time driven. Next you need to select type of time based trigger. Let's select minute timer. Then we need to select the interval as well. Let's take 10 minutes for now and let's click on save. And it's done. The trigger is live. Edit option is also there. You can click on that and edit it as per your requirement. And in case if you want to delete the trigger permanently, just select the trigger, click on delete trigger, and then click on delete forever, and that's it. It will be deleted permanently. So you can easily create automatic reminders that will be sent to your Telegram at a specific time, and it can be for anything you want. It's pretty cool, right? So that's how you can configure it. Please do try this out and let me know in the comment section. So that's it for today. Please do like the video and subscribe the channel so that you get notifications when I bring such videos for you. We'll meet again very soon. Have a nice day.